Daddy. So he wanted me to see that film. More to please his daughter. Film with his daughter, Daddy. So he wanted me to see that film. More to please his daughter. I don't understand Hindi. Yesterday I tried to see some Telugu film for 5 minutes.
He's Telugu man,
Actually, I am not.
Yeah, I mean, come from the Andhra.
I spent more number of years in Madras than in World Book Encyclopedia as a research associate. I went there.
No, A.K. Ramanujan. He wasn't there.
I don't know. At
He's a
that
professor
time,
and a linguist and a poet. And one of the few who got the MacArthur grant.
I see. Oh, this was long time ago. 50s, the mid 50s.
He went there just around the late 50s.
Sunday observer is coming tomorrow. Generally, he will come to Bangalore on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Tuesday they said. And what about
India Post.
Indian
I
Post?
told the person tomorrow I'm getting. Actually, I called him when he was the next man. But
No, it's all right.
no, I'm interested. The article at Kushun
He interviewed me when I was in Delhi. So it seems that appeared in 7
Sunday
papers.
Observer.
Sunday Observer and 7 other
Oh, he's a
papers.
columnist.
Oh, I see. He owns its own.
Syndicated and also some Hindi papers and Punjabi paper, he said. No, they read the piece over the telephone to me yesterday, both Frank and from Delhi and Mahesh Bhatt. So I know
Indian Post in Indian Post.
Yes, but he also read the entire piece.
Mahesh Bhatt has also written that.
Yes, that
Oh, I
is
see.
his interview with me and the Indian
There's
Post.
another article, but this is the latest article.
No, he's going to write a biography of UG for the Penguins.
Penguin, you know, what a life.
He's signing, so that's why now he is going to write for the midday Sunday paper. And come. You met my daughter? That's my daughter.
English garment.
She teaches English there in Hyderabad. Yes, more degrees than I can
Yes,
count.
yes, come here often.
Yes. And why she is studying linguistics, I don't understand for her PhD. Oh, those photos.
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
You have to take. And Frank wants one action piece for his article, he says.
What, where did you read the article?
I don't know, it's any magazine. For him, what is the problem?
Reading palms, is it? This man, Brahmachari.
That is Brahmachari.
ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು
Yes.
That all your dances. That is
No, I've danced only in that film.
Yeah, I mean, you were the dancer there.
No,
Yes, I'm
it's
fit.
Guru, Chancellor Guru.
There's a girl there and me.
I remember that.
We learned from
I've seen that movie. I think.
I saw that movie.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಸೋಮಿಯಾಜಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದರ ಶಂಕರಪಟ್ಟಣ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟು.
You were also in Sakrapur?
Hindi. No, in the Hindi version.
Acted in
Ah,
Hindi
yes,
version.
in Hindi
It acted in Hindi version.
I saw Sakrapuranam and Ananda Bhairavi. They insisted that I should see that.
Huh? Hindi version.
That was long time ago.
Huh?
It's about 5 years ago.
That's the only action, drinking coffee.
There's no action.
If that is not action, what else?
Yeah.
No, there are too many of them, sir.
Very nice
Yeah.
ones, very nice.
She published a lot of books on photography. Now she has chosen the wrong subject. At that time, what was your subject?
Shepherds.
Some shepherds.
Just another shepherd.
I'm not a shepherd. You adopted some animal. What was it?
Sheep, a lamb,
A lamb. I'm also a lamb.
and homeless.
Home.
And
I'm also homeless.
Yeah, that's right.
There's no place like home.
I am also
There's no
homeless.
place like home. Two Krishnamurtis, confrontation.
No, he is good.
This is you. You can take these things, sir, but there is another one of yours there.
ಇಲ್ಲ in Paris ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ 67 3 Krishnamurtis from the Paris ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಗೊಂಡೋಟ್ He was there, JK was there, I was there. This is the Prime Minister's information. IAS man. Frank Naraman.
He just telephoned me. Sent by speed post one action photo. This is my input and he was interviewing with a tape recorder there.
Night, you know the interview? Evening or
Morning, sir, morning. When I was in Bombay.
These are good photographs for not action, but anyway.
You are still acting in films or?
Occasionally, I don't act in film, but sometimes in television series.
Oh, I see.
He's fundamentally a playwright,
Oh, yes.
theatre man, and a director in the film.
What did you do in Oxford?
I did philosophy, politics, and economics. The famous modern PP.
Yes. How long ago was it?
Oh, very long time. I finished in 63, 26 years. And I went late, so.
You're reading your hand, is it?
Yes. Where is that the ambassador of God? Who is? कितना बेटे हाँ. There is one ambassador of God in
Indian.
Bombay, Gujarati. Yes, he's an Indian. And he grew up in Gandhi's Phoenix or whatever they called it in South Africa.
South Africa.
And he came to India. And he always carries that picture of him as a little boy in Gandhi's lap. That is his introduction.
There's a man who said, Mr. Brown or somebody, he met Mr. Vivekananda.
Yes.
His famous speech of Vivekananda.
Passages on his shirts, back, front, everywhere.
Somebody else.
He was with Vinoba Bhave for a number of years, Mr. Lalubai. Probably I think we took it out of this lot.
You could be just downstairs.
Maybe in the telephone, near the telephone. I can't look at there far too many. Saturation point.
Go to last Sunday. We used to stay in the social was a place called, we used to stay in Rajiv, in book of conversations, two books. We speak of enlightenment.
Yes, I saw that.
So that
You saw that book where?
No, actually I saw that book on the airport, in the bookshop.
Bookshop.
That's right.
Which one? The second one or myth? Mind is a myth.
Yes, mine is.
but I think also in the other hotels, all the
Yes, I know.
Shabbat and all the
That's a very good bookshop there. Airport in it.
the branch in Taj, the other branch is there. Four branches there. Holiday Inn, West End, and Taj. Taj is the
Bombay airport also has that book. There's a lot of them.
Sometimes sometimes I don't mind being delayed on Bangalore Airport because they have to do the
That's an
bookshop.
interesting bookshop.
Very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting bookshop.
He sold remarkable books, also Kannada books also there.
Your
My
Kannada
books.
books?
He told me, you must have my books there. And his books, I said, no copyright.
ఆ పుస్తకం ఒకటి
They took it seriously
Mind is a
and published, remember America they published.
Some rabbi, took it very seriously and published that book. And he didn't have money, so he had to borrow the money from his wife, using her credit limit. And they sold only 1,000 books. And the publisher disappeared with the 4,000 books and opened a bookshop in Florida. So he's selling the books, and this fellow is heartbroken. And his wife, you remember that day? She came crying. She has spent all my money. We have no way of recovering that money. And then I said, it's all right. And he is making the money, and you have made enough money.
He used to be in publishing business himself, Oxford publishing books also. So, his manager, Oxford books.
Where here?
I was with Oxford University Press in Madras.
He said before he resigned to go to films, make movies. Sutaka.
They won't come here.